In the blood relation chapter, we need to cover three topics. The three topics are based on puzzle, based on conversation, based on symbolically coded. The third topic is not much important, and we can completely ignore it. And yeah, before we go to the chapter, we need to know certain basics that are which the relations which from father side we call paternal, and which from mother side relations we called maternal. And now let's see some relations which may get helpful to better understand the problems before we do the problems. Mother or father's father we call grandfather, and mother or father's mother we call grandmother, and the third mother or father's brother, that means your father's brother we called what we called uncle, and fourth mother's or mother's sister we called aunt, and fifth wife's father or husband's father we call brother-in-law, and sixth wife's mother or husband's mother we call mother-in-law, and seventh son's wife we called daughter-in-law, and eighth daughter's husband we call son-in-law, and ninth husband's or wife's sister we call sister-in-law, and husband's or wife's brother we call brother-in-law, and brother or sister daughter we called niece. That means your brother or sister daughter we called niece, and brother or sister's son we called nephew, and the last uncle or aunt sons or daughter we called cousin. In the blood relation chapter basics, last topic is that this table which will get certain logics to understand the problem and make it easier. The first thing, male, in the question whatever the male character comes I have to do the plus sign over it, and the female character opposite minus symbol, and if there is any one generation gap between you and the character they have to do vertical line, and if they are same generation like you and your brother or sister we do line draw as a horizontal line, and if your wife or husband the character has been given have to do like equal. Okay, let's solve some problems on based on puzzles. Here we go. The first problem: A and B are married couple. X and Y are brothers, and X is the brother of A. How is Y related to B? First thing in the question, we need to divide different parts. The question we have to divide the different parts, and we have to understand each sentence. Let's start from A and B. A and B are married couple. See, A and B are married couple. Because of there are A and B are husband and wife, so we are using equal. And let's go for second sentence. X and Y are brothers. For the first sentence and second sentence, there is no relationship between until right now. Are brothers. And X is the brother of A. See, here there are relationship, there are connection between first sentence and second sentence. X is the brother of A. See, X is the brother of A. That means even Y also brother of A, right? See, until now we don't know the gender of A and B. Now we got it the gender. Now, what the question they asked, how is y related to b? See, how is y related to b? If wife's husband's brother, what we call brother-in-law. La. See, yeah, brother-in-law is the answer. Okay, guys, let's go for the second question. A and B and C are sisters. See, they are saying in the first sentence that A and B and C are sisters. They said the gender, and the second sentence is D is the brother of E. See, first sentence and second sentence there is no relationship here. Even here, and E is the daughter of B. See, they're linked here for first sentence and second sentence. E is the daughter of B. See, E is the daughter of B. There is a one generation gap between them. So, and D is the brother of. So, and what the question? How is C related to B? How is C related to B? See, sister. See, answer is sister. Okay, guys, let's solve based on puzzle's last question. Here we go. The last question is E is the son of A. See, E is the son of A. There is a one generation gap between them. And the second sentence is D is the son of B. Even here one generation gap. And E is married to C. See, even the third sentence there is no connection between first sentence and second sentence. And let's see the next sentence. What is C is B's daughter? See, here they gave the connection to the second sentence. See, C is B's daughter. C is B's daughter. And they said the gender. And let's come from the third sentence. E is married to C. And what they asked, how is D related to E? See, they asked for this. How is D related to E? It's brother-in-law. And guys, you need to focus on what the logics are, what the concept are. No need to by heart, and it is the easiest chapter in the mathematics. Let's go to the next topic. Before we go, we need to learn certain sentences which we cannot may understand in the question. The exam question paper preparator tried to twist you and confuse you from certain sentences which may get confused to you. Let's see some certain sentences. Only son of my grandfather. See, in every sentences, in every question, you had to assume that in the character you are playing the role, and it may get easier to understand and make it easier. Only son of my grandfather. See, you is here, and only son of my grandfather, and grandfather he is here, and certain here. See, only son, grandfather's son. That means your father. The answer is father. Only son of my grandmother. See, it was same. The change was here the father and here the mother. me here, and grandmother, your grandmother, and dash generation gap, and see only son of my grandmother, father. See, here the gender is changed. Here is a grandfather and here is a grandmother. Nothing has been changed. See, answer is father. And let's go to the only daughter of my grandfather. See, let's start from me, and grandfather, grandfather, only daughter. See, daughter. That means your mother. Mother is the answer. See, we had to divide the sentence into different parts, and it may get easier to understand and think logically. मत कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लो, मत बैठ मत करना. Sister of my mother. See, me, and one generation gap, mother, sister of my mother, your mother, sister. That's all. What will happen to you? Aunt. Aunt is the answer. And let's go with the next. Son or daughter of my husband. See, first start from me, and your father, son or daughter of my husband. That means if it's from your father, that means you, that means me is the right answer. And here let's go for next. And son or daughter of my wife. See, that means your father, that means here from the here from the father side, and here from the mother side the question is asked. So even here the answer was same. See, me and your mother. See, answer is same, me. And nothing, the a question paper preparer was try to twist you and confuse you. So this type of questions will be may asked to you. And only daughter of my grandfather and only son. See, let's start from me here, and grandfather, there is a gap, and only daughter, that means grandfather, daughter, that means your mother. Only son, that means you is the right answer. Grandmother of my father, only son. Okay, again let's start from me, and there is generation gap, and grandmother, and grandmother of my father, only son, that means your father. And even here the answer was same, you is the answer. And father of my daughter, father. See, here asked that let's start from me, my father, my daughter, father, that means father, my father, that means your father is the answer. There are twists. See, father of my daughter, father, that means your daughter is a father. So father is the right answer. And father of my son, even here also same, here is the daughter and here is the son. So, and my son's sister. See, let's start from he, and there is generation gap, my son. So father is here, and son's sister, so me here, sister. Your sister, answer is sister. That's all. My son's sister, that means this question is asked from the father, so daughter. Daughter is the right answer. F is the brother of A. देख लो यार, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलते हैं वो लिखते जाओ ना यहाँ. F is the brother of A. Here the genders has been revealed, that brothers. C is the daughter of A. C is the daughter. And K is the sister of F. And G is the brother of C. And the question they asked, who is the uncle of G? G का अंकल कौन है? F हो जाता है. F is the right answer. Like whatever the sentences you understand, first write it on the paper and draw the diagram and makes you to understand and select the right answer. And here the difficult question, B is the husband of P. B is the husband of P. Why we wrote equals? Because of their husband and wife. So they said they had revealed the genders. And next, Q is the only grandson. See, here the came only grandson of E. Q. Q is the only grandson of E. So, E. And here the some character is there, not revealed yet. And there is a two generation gap between Q. So we wrote that. And who is the, see here the mind point, you had to note it down. Whenever the who comes and comes, who comes means you have to backside whichever the letter has been the character or letter has been arrived, we have to choose that. Here in this case the E has who. And if what if the and comes means the first person who comes means the Q will be, what if the and comes means will be the Q. We have to note it down, this it's very important. And let's go for the next sentence. Who is the wife of D? See, D, E is the wife of D. You got the answer right? Yeah. And see, D is the wife of E. And here the gender has been revealed. And mother-in-law of P. See, here came and mother-in-law of P. See, and came, not second, first. E is the here mother-in-law of P. So E का सन कौन है? P. P married. So mother-in-law, the mean B is the son. So the answer is D. And now the based on puzzle the topic has been completed. In the next video I'll doing based on conversation. For this video you need to complete the target of 1000 likes and any comments either positive or negative, please comment on it. And इतना टाइम इसके लिए दिया, हम लाइक तो कर दो ना यार. एंड बाय बाय.